Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on like and unlike terms. In algebra, we need to understand the idea of like and unlike terms. This will allow us to successfully add and subtract the different terms in algebra. Like terms. In algebra, like terms are letters or groups of letters that are exactly the same in all respects except for the leading terms. Unlike terms. These are terms that are not the same, that is, one or more items are different. There may be different letters, or different powers, or both. Examples. The following are examples of like terms. Those three are like terms. They have three letters that are the same. The powers are the same, each of them is 1. It doesn't matter about the leading terms, they can be different. Over here we have H and K, KH, HK. Because HK is the same as KH, because of the commutative law for multiplication, they are like terms. Exactly the same here. A squared B, BA squared and A squared B. In each case the A is squared, and in each case B is to the power of 1. It doesn't matter about the leading terms. So those three sets are all like terms. The following are examples of unlike terms. We have those three there. We have a H, a HK and a K. See, each of those is different. We have an MY, an M squared Y and an MY squared. Each of those is different. Even though we have MY in each, the powers in each of them are different. And here they are definitely different. ABY, ABH, AHY. None of those three are the same, so they're unlike terms. Simplify each of the following by collecting like terms. 5m plus 3m. They are each like terms. They each contain the letter m with the same power. All you do is add the leading terms to give you 8m. It's like 5 marbles plus 3 marbles is 8 marbles. Number 2, when we add those two together, we get 9a squared b. 6 plus 3 is 9, and you leave the terms the same. Over here, the 6m and the 2m are like terms. That give us 8m. The 7k and the 3k are the same. That gives us 10k. Over here, 9h minus 4h gives us 5h. 8k minus 2k gives us 6k. You can't add those two together because the h and the k give us the two terms that are unlike terms because they're different letters. Over here, what we do, we look at the groups of like terms here. So that one and that one. So 7m squared minus 3m squared gives us 4m squared. This one and this one. 5m minus 2m give us 3m, and 8 minus 2 give us 6. That's the answer, and you can't add them together because they are unlike terms. Very similar here. 8k cubed minus 2k cubed gives you 6k cubed. Minus 3k squared minus 4k squared gives you minus 7k squared. And minus 2k minus 6k gives you minus 8k. Cannot add them together because the indices are different or the powers are different. Over here, now this is an interesting one because we have to look at where the like terms are. That one and that one are like terms. Each of them has an m and a y, and there's the m is squared and the y is cubed, and the same here. So if we take that term and we subtract this term, we get 6m squared y cubed, and this just comes down here. They are unlike terms because the powers are different, so that is the answer. Over here, we can't do anything because they are all unlike terms. So this video has introduced us to the idea of like and unlike terms, and we've seen some examples that have shown us how to add and subtract like terms, but we cannot add or subtract unlike terms.